If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
Hi guys, good morning. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, what are them? So I'm here with my
Melica Skylife building. What are them?
Hi, morning. So I'm here with my workout partner. So we woke up early. We're resting on top of the hill, and I really wanted to touch on skill versus talent. Like talent, you're naturally born with. Skill is something you learn through practicing. So Dahlia been mashing me up for the last week I started. I could have run over the hill once, and I really got tired when I started to run. So I told myself that I'm gonna walk first, then I'm gonna try to run halfway, and then now this morning I'm able to run up the hill without being like a dead, you know. So I practice and practice until I got it. So this is one thing that I've learned. You can't outwork skill with natural talent. So if you want something, go at it, practice, get obsessed, practice, practice, practice. And I know once you do that, you're going to crush, you're going to be better than the man who is talented. You understand? So we're going to finish up with the hike now. We're going on the longer route. And yeah, big up on yourself. We have a long way left to go. Tired. Cross on, come on with it. Miss Jane and Jenny. Say hi to the vlog. Kevin, why you laugh? Who get a joke? They're on the road at chill. Main road. No, we don't do good. Boom, 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 boom. We don't do good. Weight training. This is my weights. Come pick Meesbury. What you do? Pick Meesbury, mommy? Come go in that tree. Come climb a tree. Record me. Come, Molly. Come tell you. Mommy, I pick Meesbury. You forget you went to Juki. I never asked for a ride. I'm gonna try to pick one these very right. So. There are so many trees. Anyways. Come and see it. You know, right, the turn. I be a third one up on the tree. That one the big door. May I feel them? It's so big.
It's so big.
Yeah, it's big. It's big like your head.
Coco should have in there.
What's that dance to me now? What's that? Acha. The one they right? No!
No, you see something?
I rock back by it.
You want to cut out? You want a big bomb cut out of you?
Jesus. Meesbury. Let's see if it tastes nice. Nice, it's too much sweet. Time the number finish. What me do? Press it back.
You not go finish.
Oh.
Tyrion, come down. I never asked for a free. Baby, shake it.
So one of the Melissa pick it with the hand.
That one there?
Yeah.
I don't feel it. I want a big one.
Tyrion, stop shaking tree.
Can't catch it.
Go on up
Too
more.
short.
See this. Well in
Oh,
That's
Melly.
not thin enough, boy. I can't take it.
Go-
Tyrion, come down.
Go up more man and stop shaking tree, Tyrion.
Tyrion, if you come off. Look where in there.
It's alright when there.
I want a little lean.
You can catch another one?
Melissa,
Turn, you know?
Melissa, try give me.
You can catch the next
Where
one?
next one there?
Sit out so.
Melissa,
Sit, look.
try give me.
That
Melissa,
one there?
Mm-hmm.
I
Melissa.
said, no, no, something to go
Take
jump off
time,
the
make
tree.
Tyrion. Try make Tyrion catch it.
Come on.
You
Come
can
on the
catch?
ground. Go on the ground. You turn, you know, mommy.
And me go, I have to go catch it then.
Come on.
Tyrion, you can't catch.
Mm.
You're going to make him mash up.
Me now make you mash up. Come.
I bet he make him mash up.
Try again.
Wait.
Oh, when baby two one turn one, give me no more.
Come right as so.
Mm.
Look up at me.
Come because I don't want a video directly up on the yash. Romeo go say, how are they going over Erwin?
Italian. You see?
Let me get
I want a green.
Give me making catch it.
Come out, that's why mommy there. Go out and mommy there, boy. Catch you, you know. Oh! Where else you want me? You want me shake it tree?
We're going to shake. Me can't tap video now.
Yeah.
Hmm?
You want me shake it tree?
How my feels? Pause it. What go come over the tree? Leave?
Alright.
Hmm?
You can stop.
One for press.
Tyrion, sure.
The red button?
Alright guys, so Tyrion just picked some guinea. Now I'm gonna taste it. Show them a guinea, Tyrion. Come on and lift up here and show them. Come on and so. Lift up here. We're going to take off the leaves them. So we go.
Alright. And me just pick a big bunch.
My friend when he come in and say. My friend he tell me to pick one bunch of guinea. Come I just come out on his very tree. Taste this.
Taste this. Taste this.
I want a sweet Tyrion.
This one too.
I just come off in the morning. Show you.
This one sweet. Sweet like a what?
I want to throw them over there, so. The tree, yeah? Get different taste. I'll show you the tree. I'll climb it tomorrow. Give different taste. Down there, so give a different taste. Up there, so give a different taste. And over there, so give a different taste. What's that dance with me, Tyrion? Go on out somewhere.
Let me get that guinea. What's a dance, Tyrion? What's a dance?
What? Mama, see, take care of this bird. You're taking video,
Wow,
you need
but-
bird, I'm already
What's that dance, Tyrion? What's that dance? What's that dance, Tyrion? Hey, 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 hey. Mash up, Aria. Mash up the place, Aria. Hey.
No, take no.
Guys, look for my head for the road. You're going to be here. Mama Punki. Mama Punki in front of me. Guys, look how Punki get fat. Come, grandmother look young, fresh. I say, me one man, mama, you not tell Punki about the man was seeing I senior citizen line, and I say, you don't look like senior citizen, fresh. So guys, apparently there is a bomb threat in Montego Bay. for traffic. Place full of traffic also. So nothing is really happening. The business places are closing. I'm here about my business. I'm dating. So I finally got my hair did with some little curls at the end. I look cute, babe. No, I needed to say this yes or no.
Yes.
That's why door pop up, so you don't see door. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button. Definitely leave a comment in the comment section below. And I'll definitely see you on the next video. Go away.